Hey guys, happy fall. I hope you're having a great season. Today I'm sharing a really good recipe for quinoa stuffed acorn squash. It's a perfect fall recipe. It's so cozy and delicious. You're going to want to start by just taking 2 acorn squash and cutting it in the middle horizontally. That's how it gets that beautiful flower effect. And here I'm just removing the seeds. And go ahead and line a baking sheet with some tin foil and put it in a 400-degree oven for 45 minutes. And you're going to want to flip halfway through. They're really hot, so be careful. Now on to our quinoa. We're going to take 1 cup quinoa and place it in a saucepan. And 2 cups of veggie broth. Give it a good stir, and we're going to bring it to a vigorous boil. Cover with a lid and reduce heat to simmer and cook for 15 minutes, and it should come out really nice and fluffy like this. And now we're cooking our onions, so start with a little olive oil and go ahead and toss in your onions. And just cook until translucent, and at the very end add a little bit of minced garlic and cook for another 30 seconds. And in a large bowl, go ahead and add your cooked quinoa. 1/2 cup craisins, these are so good. A chopped apple, I used a Granny Smith apple, it's so delicious. Add your onions. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of salt. And a little cinnamon. And give that a really good stir. And then at the last minute, I really wanted to add some nuts, so I added a little bit of walnuts. And now for the fun part. I just took a bunch of spoonfuls and made it kind of like a heaping mound. And I only used about half of the quinoa mixture, and the rest I just put in an airtight container and ate throughout the week, and it was still really good. And finish it off by adding some pumpkin seeds, and there you go. So delicious. This is actually really good for a side for a fall dinner or as a main meal. It's very filling. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button below, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.